guys, it's your boy Prince Riley, back at it again, back with another video, and we're gonna do a little 7-minute session of just straight calisthenics. It's gonna be intense push-ups, diamond push-ups, planks. Yeah, so let's get this workout on. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Prince Riley, back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to get 1,000 subscribers and 400 hours, 4,000 hours of watch time, man. Stay tuned. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Prince Riley, back with another video. Now, in today's video, I'm just going to be talking and going over the critical details you need to be making 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch time so you can actually get paid from YouTube itself. So the first thing I suggest you guys do is all these methods that I'm about to tell you are literally paid methods to get you where you want to go much faster, okay? You can do the organic way, but it will also take you a little bit more time, right? So what you want to do is you want to have some paid methods, because to be honest, YouTube is paid to play, man. Paid to play. So basically what I want you guys to do is keep an open mind about it. If you guys do have the money or do have the income, or willing to work just to follow your dreams to be a YouTube famous star. So the first thing I want you guys to do is actually look up YouTube advertisements, okay? Now you can actually advertise on YouTube itself as the platform, so I would suggest you guys start off there. It doesn't cost that much. You can do $20, you can do $30, you can do 10 bucks, okay? So my suggestion to you guys is to literally each week try to put $20 down for a video that you think that people will like, and promote that video using YouTube ads. Don't go too crazy because you don't want to end up owing YouTube ads a lot of money, but take $20 out your paycheck, take $20 out of anything that you're working on, and you can use that money to actually boost your video, which will boost your subscriber count, which will actually get you out there more. Because I think a lot of people, once they make a video, they drop it and just leave it there. They don't actually do any promotions to their channel, okay? The first thing you have to do is actually promote your channel, because once you promote your channel, you're really good to go, okay? People will start actually commenting and saying, hey, this looks like a good video. And another thing is to provide value, okay? Provide some value in your videos, like something that's going to help somebody, because they're more likely to actually subscribe to you if they know that you have some type of value, okay? So try to provide some value, some tips videos, something that will help your actual subscribers, okay? And ask them a question at the end of the video too, because that also is going to get you more interactions and it will help you grow, okay? So definitely ask them questions, ask them a daily question, and make sure they comment in the section below, because YouTube loves comments. They just love them, okay? So another thing you have to watch out for is actually to get the 400 watch times, you need to actually make your videos longer, okay? That's another tip that's going to help you further your goal, is to make your videos long. I would say make your videos at least about 9 to 13 minutes long, okay? That's a good amount for a video. So just try to make it as long as possible. I would honestly shoot for 10 minutes or better, and just make it to where you can actually have a full video. So most videos are actually very longer than that, and as long as they are, you guys want to make your videos just as long so you can get more reach out there. Now, another way you can actually promote your videos on YouTube is Fiverr. Fiverr has so much stuff on there, okay? It just has crazy amount of stuff. I'm actually on Fiverr if you guys want to check me out. I will actually put my link in the description if you guys want to check out my Fiverr account or whatever, and I will help you guys, do SEO, do Google Ads, do all that great stuff. But definitely check out Fiverr. You can actually get more views on there. You can actually buy all kinds of things that will help your YouTube channel and also your Instagram grow. I know it's not an Instagram video, I'm just saying it will help you guys tremendously just to get where you want to go. Okay, as far as getting 1,000 subs and 400 hours of watch time, right? So another thing you can actually do on top of everything else is make sure you're tagging your videos correctly, okay? SEO, if you don't know what that is, definitely YouTube it, okay, or Google it, do something. SEO is something that is going to help you optimize your videos. Definitely want to make sure you're tagging your videos correctly, and honestly, YouTube just wants to know what is your video about, because once you tag that video, you can actually you'll be related to other videos that are out there. But if your video is a little bit shorter, they probably won't promote it. But what you can do is actually try to promote your own videos using ads, right? Using Fiverr. And once you get that build up of those views, once you get that build up, then the video will pretty much blow up itself. And that's pretty much how you go viral, okay? You want to go viral. So how you gonna do that? You're gonna pay to play. You're gonna pay for those views, because once you pay for those views, your video basically will boost itself, okay? So definitely want to check out Fiverr. It's a great place for you guys to, especially for new people on YouTube, to check out and grow the channel, right? So make sure you guys try to hit 1,000 subscribers and 400 hours of watch time, right? Now, another thing that is key, okay, it's very key that you guys do on a daily basis is try to at least upload once a week, okay? I can't stress enough your upload schedule, okay? I know it's crazy, I know it's hectic, your day-to-day basis, but if you upload one video a week, okay, and you promoting your video every single week you're boosting one video at a time, okay? You're getting it to like 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, okay? Because you're using the Google Ads, you're using the Fiverr.com, okay? You're tagging your videos are long, you're getting to the point, you're having value, these things will help you basically grow even faster. That's what I'm telling you guys. You guys can grow extra super fast, but all you gotta do is use these key steps to actually blow up your channel. And these are just tips for people who actually are interested in YouTube, okay? But you know what time it is, man. It is your boy Prince Riley, man. Check out my Instagram. I have some motivational stuff on my Instagram, and also I'm going to be doing a little prime art video. Definitely check that out. Link will be in the description for all the rest of my videos, my meal preps, my workouts. Definitely check out more of the content, man. We are in here. Now I have the baby right here. The baby sleeping. Let's check it out. Okay, so she's really sleeping right now. She's about to go on. So I'm gonna get off of here. I'll see you guys later. Peace.